Alright, this is James' new birthday present. It is a Parrot AR drone. He's about to take it out for its very first flight.
I can already see the camera. You can see, look, there's me walking around. And here we go. All I have to do is push one button and it should take off.
Look at that.
Pretty cool.
Can you make it do anything?
That's pretty cool.
And this contraption is taking video. So this looks like it's going to be hours and hours of entertainment. Can you land it?
Yep. So if I bring it back over here.
Nice.